Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Super,
no turn.
Super aggressive.
Super aggressive in the throttle.
And no steering. I want just wiggle.
Got it. Just wiggle.
Go.
Got it.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Now left. Now left. Easy. Back off the throttle. Off the throttle. You're back on good ground.
It's off-roading time. We got Defender 130 Trophy Edition. Let's go get some mud.
No problem. We'll be up for. I won't be back for a while.
That sounds great.
Jim.
Hey, I'm Steve. Nice to meet you.
Gaston.
Gaston?
Gaston.
Yeah.
Right on.
Nate. I'll make it easy.
I'm still Jim.
Still Jim.
Go this way.
Woo!
I guess our cameras are a little muddy too.
Yes,
A lawn dart right into the bottom.
Woo!
Yep, so very gentle as it noses in. As soon as it gets to the very bottom, then you can carry on. Touch too much. You're good. Carry on.
Go.
Now there's going to be. Have you driven a lot in the mud?
Yep.
Basically, it's starting to get a little stickier too, because it hasn't rained since last night. Kind of thing. So. Stay with that line, don't turn yet.
No.
And now start turning. Hard right. It's just gonna walk up. That wheel was in the air behind you, Nate.
What is it?
And that's wheels in the air right now.
That was cool.
Still not the fun section. So, there may be a time where I ask you to actually saw the wheel back and forth.
Yeah.
And it's quite violent when you're doing it correctly.
Okay.
Give me a little throttle up around the corner to where we get close to it. A little more throttle. More throttle, hard right. Here's what we're gonna do.
Oh, nice.
You can come out if you want. Oh, you don't want to get your feet dirty, probably.
Yo, man, this is some serious muck.
I want you to be forward and wheels where they're at. No aggression. Just get.
Do it, my man.
Stop. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you.
This is gnarly.
Little aggression. And you're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Stop. 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 That's where we're going. He likes what do they call it? Point of view?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Not that any of us are watching
That's your
point of view stuff. Huh?
That's right.
I entertain myself sometimes, just so we're clear. All right?
No, it's fine. I mean,
So if I was going to be teaching off-roading, that's a bad way to drive your steering wheel. So you always want to typically shuffle your wheel and end up like that.
Anti-road racing.
Correct. Absolutely the opposite, the antithesis of that. And I'm going to have you stop at the top of this. So,
Okay.
beautiful. Yep.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Touch left. Just a whisker, not a lot. Just a whisker. I'm just keeping you on the top side. As much as I can.
It's
And
sliding
that's
off.
fine.
and down you go.
But we're
Life entertaining.
Terrible planning.
Yeah. Nicely done. Nice
Anybody put one of these on its side?
job. No. I have actually never, well, I've technically rolled a couple vehicles over, but it was doing military training to show them how to correctly right the vehicle back up. Notice how I caveated that.
That's right.
Real gentle coming into the bottom of it.
Sound like a lawyer. Yeah.
Well, only because I've seen lots of vehicles roll over, but I was not in charge of them.
Yeah, buddy.
Excellent. Nice job. Now we work into the wiggle a little bit. And I'm going to give you a third, which will help us a little bit. You can dip out there and get a run at it, or carry on, whatever you want to do. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Too much turn that way, so just a little less. There, now hard. Yep. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Let's back it up a little bit. To me, turn. Yep. I'm going to put you right out in the weeds, and then we're going to rearrange ourselves. Yep. So head right towards that green little bush.
Okay.
And wiggle right off of center there. Go, go, go. Harder throttle. Harder throttle. Go, go, go. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Nowhere near aggressive enough. Go, 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 go. Stay with it. Now back to me, back to me. Stay with the throttle. Stay with the throttle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And more to me, more to me, to me, to me, to me. Yep, back in the holes. And give me some throttle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. You're turning all the way that way. There you go. Stay with the throttle. Towards me. Nope, let's back it up just a little bit. You're good. You're good. Back it up
Freaking
just a
workout.
little bit. Yes, it's a workout. And a little more. Stop right there. I want you turn towards you. Right there. Stop. That's the center of your wiggle. Don't steer. Just wiggle.
Just wiggle.
I don't care where the car goes. Just wiggle. Don't steer.
Got it.
Wiggle,
Lots
baby.
of throttle though.
Lots of throttle. Okay. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Super,
No turn.
super aggressive.
Super aggressive in the throttle.
And no steering. I want just wiggle.
Got it. Just
Go,
wiggle.
go, go.
Got it.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Now left. Now left. Easy. Back off the throttle. Off the throttle. You're back on good ground.
Woo!
Nice job.
Nice, my man.
Got your workout in.
Yeah. Sawing that wheel hard.
Excellent. Nice and gentle. You can be down bottom. You can be up top. Your choice. Third time, I even care less. Don't use any of this verbiage against me. Yep, hard right, you're good. Perfect.
Boom.
Beautiful. Yeah, you're fine. You can ease off the throttle a little too. It's good. So you see how the ruts pushes around? If the dynamic stability control was on, it would literally pull your throttle off, even though you're giving it throttle.
Yeah.
That's why we turn it off when we're in mud and ruts, or if you're in snow or in sand. Actually, if you put it in sand mode, it technically turns it off automatically for you, or to a certain degree. Again, dip in. You don't need all the throttle,
Yeah.
but maybe half of what you've been going for.
Okay.
And then just as soon as you get out of as soon as that rear wheel pops, then back off. Yep, give me some throttle. And woo. Easy, 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 easy. Beautiful. And yep, a little bit of tickle again. Not a lot, just a little. Easy. Beautiful job. And carry on. You're good. Nice and gentle through here. You're heading downhill. You don't need a lot of throttle. You can just kind of wallow around walking through it. It's not going to be a problem. Excellent. Now tickle. Easy, 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 easy. And yep, now you can steer. And just a little wiggle, 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 wiggle. Easy. Not so much throttle there. Beautiful. That's the throttle I want. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Oh, wiggle,
Right back to wiggling.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. More throttle and wiggle like a crazy man. Wiggle, keep wiggling it. Oh, you backed off the throttle. And easy, easy. Now, right there, we were literally stopped. Hold tight, stop. No wiggling, just stop. We were literally stopped making forward progress. Right? Everybody agree with that? And then when he got violent, it started making forward progress again. That's how you drive in deep mud most of the time, is you have to remember the wiggling of the wheel when you start losing progress. So if anybody ever gets out there at any of our events and you're in deep mud, just remember Jim says, wiggle like a violent bastard.
So it's not wiggle, it's thrash.
Yes. Carry on. Nice job, by the way. Nice job.
That's a wrap on Destination Defender. Tons of fun, off-roading, fly fishing, pretty much an awesome couple days. Now I just need to get myself a new Defender, right? Yeah.